Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set your photo as a watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So, in order to do that, make sure your band is connected to Samsung Wearable app. Now, open it up, and in this application, find a watch faces. Click here, favorites, click manage, and here find a photos tab. Click on it, click this little pen symbol, and now you can adjust it. So there are two ways of customizing. You can click on this camera and you can take an immediate picture and set it as your watch face, or you can choose a picture from the gallery. Simply go into the gallery, tap on any picture, and simply press done. Now you can crop it, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and other things what we need. In order to do that, just simply drag down, adjust your brightness, adjust your exposure, adjust your contrast, your highlights. Now, when you have adjusted it, you can also set up a clock type. Simply press on the clock type section, choose from one of the suggested clock types, and you can adjust the clock color. So press here on the clock color section, choose your preferable color. For example, let's choose a blue one, press save. Now, as you press save, your photo will be your watch face and it will be set on your bracelet. You can also select multiple images. Just tap here, choose from gallery, and select the images you'd like. Now, close your Galaxy Wearable app after setting everything up. So, as you see, now you have your photo on your watch. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.